Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Minifig Club. This is my very first unboxing, but it is a Lego minifigure subscription box. If you pay monthly, it's $12.99 with free shipping, but it's only $10.99 if you buy like the whole year subscription, so it saves you a little bit of money. But each month you get 10 minifigure pieces, so enough to make 3 people and then have an extra piece. You also get an accessory pack, and then you get a piece of the month. Also threw in some other goodies that I'll show you real quick. We have a Minifigure Club sticker, a magnet, a little bookmark, bananas on the back, that's cute. This is an advertisement for their Facebook group page. And then looks like there's a contest with details on the back of that. Then you get a couple postcards. You get that one. And then this is pretty cool. So you keep this, and every month you get a sticker. So you're going to put that on there. Once you fill it up, you mail it back to them. It's already made out to them, and they send you a prize. Not sure what that prize is, but if I like this subscription, we'll start collecting them and we'll find out. So let's open the people first. And these are supposed to be official Lego pieces. So some of those other Lego subscriptions, they aren't real Lego, but they look like it. So we shall see. That's one of my favorite minifigure faces. See if I get it to focus. Love that one. So we got a head. Got a body piece. Looks like it has like a little sheriff star or something on the chest. Couple lines on the back. Also got just plain green legs. This one that kind of looks like firefighter pants, because it has little lines right below the knee. That's what it reminds me of anyways. And then these two are just plain black legs. A little sad crying Lego head. This one has some cool little shades and a smirk on his face. And then we have 2 chest pieces. So that one has a little printing on the back. Looks like some walkie-talkies, little radios in there. That one's plain. That one is like a beach shirt. Little anchor tattoo on the chest, that's cool. And then that one, so very nice. I'll insert some pictures at the end with those kind of put together. So let's see what accessories we got. So we have plain white hat, an axe, little, looks like a harpoon gun, a little drill, a top hat, a construction hat, tiny little gun, little flame, little fire there, wand, and then this little piece. Not really sure what that is, but you can attach it on there, I guess. And then special piece of the month, which I don't know if it's always, no, that just answered my question. In the past I've seen it was like a little fabric like cape, but this time it's a banana, so it goes with the little sticker and the other stuff that came. So that's what I got. If you guys want to sign up, I will have all the information below, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.